Unstoppable disaster is slowly descending on the tiny village of Landl in the Austrian Tyrol. The inhabitants say the mountain is running away as tons of dirt and mud slowly engulf the village of their ancestors. Heavy rains triggered the slide, and the lack of money to build retaining walls has left the town vulnerable to the creeping avalanche. There is nothing to do but flee. Only 600 people inhabit the town. It was an unimportant little hamlet, but their plight has aroused the pity of Europe. Just across the Austrian border, 40 miles from Munich, Landl is being helped with power equipment brought halfway across the continent. The Acher River was diverted from its bed by the first slides. Now they try to get it back on course so that it will once more bypass the town. Units of the Austrian Pioneer Corps work around the clock in an attempt to save parts of the village. Many of the houses have been damaged beyond salvage. Five days of back-breaking labor near success as the volunteer workers prepare to send the Acher River back into its channel. With the river successfully diverted once more, engineers and workmen can only hope that temporary cofferdams will stem the advance of the mudslide. In Landl has been written a stirring human document, brotherly hands reaching out to help neighbors in distress.